This wallet address prints you money. Every token that he buys skyrocket like hell, and you can easily copy trade this wallet. Just look at his last tokens. He bought this token, he made 186% profit. You were able to easily buy this token. He bought it in here. Even the price decreased and reached to something around $28,000 market cap, and it went to $6 million. This person is an insider. He knows some information probably, because look at another token that he bought, Potty. He made 1,500% profit on this one. If you look at this, you can see he bought it in here. You were able to easily buy at $270,000 market cap, and it went to $8 million. Crazy. This really drives me nuts when I hear some people talking about, copy trading doesn't work. If it doesn't work for you, the reason is you don't follow some good wallets like this one. He made 86% profits on Trump token. He made 274% on this token. This one 72%. This one 487%. Crazy. This person trades only few tokens per month. You can see 18 days ago, 20 days ago, 21. He's very selective 80 days ago, and he has this wallet for almost 220 days, and all his trades are profitable. So definitely follow this wallet. Always do your own research. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find some similar wallets like this, because during this video, we're going to find some wallets, some insider wallets, or some wallets connected to some devs that they usually have the same performance of this one. So make sure to watch this video until the end. I'm going to share this wallet address on my Telegram channel, FriDev. Make sure to join that. Also, I really appreciate to give me a follow on Twitter and also subscribe my channel. Now, without further ado, let's straight get into it. If you want to copy trade this wallet or any other wallet, you can actually use NovaBot. You can find the link in the video description. Just click on copy trade, new task, and paste the wallet in here. Make sure to set the slippage in a reasonable percentage. Many of my viewers mentioned that they see the notification on NovaBot, but Nova doesn't bite for them. The reason for that is your slippage is too low. So always set the slippage based on the wallet that you're copy trading. For example, for this wallet, 50% could be reasonable, but for some other wallets, it could be higher. Again, I have to mention this video is only for educational purpose, and always take the responsibility of your trade. Now, let me show you how you can find some similar wallets like this, or some wallets connected to some devs. The bots that I'm going to use for this purpose is Zelfi Grew on Solana. You can find the link in the video description, and I really appreciate if you use my referral link. In this way, you support my channel. They have many great features that I haven't seen them in other bots. They basically have an ultra feature and also a premium group, which can totally change your copy trading. They are really game changer. I'm gonna talk about those features later at this video, but before that, let me actually get an analysis for the wallets that I talked about. Let's actually see what it will show me. Okay, as you can see in here, you can see his last 30 days trades. Yellow circle means he was inactive. Green circles means he was profitable. You can see how much he made profit in here. He made, for example, 124 sol in this day. The next day, 1.3 sol, and so on. If you see some red circles, that means the wallet wasn't profitable in those days. And this is actually yesterday. This is related to 2 days ago, 3 days ago, 4 days ago, until 30 days. I have to mention, for some wallet you can see so many red circles, but their win rate is still high. For example, 100%. That means the wallet didn't sell his lost positions. He lost money, but he didn't sold those. That's the reason they have high win rate, but with many red circles. As you can see, his ROI was crazy, something around 600%. And this is another part that I really love. This means the wallet lost more than 50%. This means lost less than 50%. Blue scores means the wallet was actually profitable but less than 2x. Green squares means 2 to 5x, and this one means more than 5x. As you can see, this wallet had one rocket, two green squares, and two blue ones, which is great. But let's actually take a look at their premium group, which is totally game changer. This is actually their premium group. You can find many topics. For example, if you're a scalper, they gathered so many clever scalpers, and as soon as they buy token, you can see the signal in this channel. Or they found many gamblers wallets. You can find their trades in here, which is very interesting. A smart money v2, this channel basically gives you a 2x. That's the reason you can see 2x. On their document they mention 70% of these calls usually gives at least a 2x. However, I have to mention this is still a test phase. Always do your own research, and do not buy without researching, because many of these calls are not good. But the channel that I'm crazy about is profitable wallets. This is my favorite one, and you can find so many great wallets in here. For some wallets, you can see this data. For example, he didn't buy the tokens and he sold the token first. This means he received the tokens from other wallets, and that shows this is an insider wallet. He's probably part of a dev project. So I usually don't care about the win rate, the ROI for this kind of insider wallets, and I always usually check them. People usually say do not follow this kind of devs, do not they try to farm you, and that's true, but a lot of times you can also find some good ones, some solid devs, and you can learn their strategy. For example, he bought this token minus 21%, minus 79%, this one 2.5. Definitely this is not a good wallet for copy trading. But let's see who's the dev behind these projects, because probably as you know, he used that wallet as an insider. He transferred the tokens in that wallet. In the dev section, just click on this and let's see. Okay, he launched two tokens. The first one was Taylor and the second one was Bipolar. Let's take a look at them. But first let's see he was the dev or he only bought the tokens. If I click on dev section for this one, okay, he wasn't the main dev, he used a bot, but probably he bought the token at the earliest stage. If he bought that, we make sure that he was the dev. Let's see. Let me go to all section, paste the dev's wallet in here. This is the dev's wallet, and okay, as you can see, he bought in the first candle, so he was the dev behind this project. If you buy the token after this dev, you were able to enter that at around $6,000 market cap, and it's went to $200,000 market cap. Crazy profit. However, it was his first token, so probably we didn't know that. For the next token, this one seems a pretty good cook. Let me take a look. Okay, in here, maker, paste the wallet in here and look at this. Okay, he was the dev, and you were able to enter this token at this candle at around $30,000 market cap. It went to $950,000 market cap. Crazy profit for his second token. And probably his third token could play well as well. I don't guarantee that, but I usually enter devs wallets after token graduation. I don't, invest them at early stage. But this is really depends on your risk tolerance. I'm gonna share this devs wallet in my Telegram channel. However, if you want to, find more of these wallets, definitely use Zelfigru for that. Also, if you want to get familiar with this strategy, how to make money with rug pools or basically some devs, make sure to watch this playlist, Make Money with Rug Pools. And in these videos, I showed you how you can find different devs, how you can, copy trade them, and so on. You can find the link in the video description. Also, for some lazy people like me, Zelfigru every day provides some reports of different good wallets for copy trading. For example, this is his last report. Let me actually open it. In here, you can find many great wallets. For example, look at this one. 100% win rate, 753% ROI. This is crazy. Or this one, 742 ROI, 100% win rate. Let's actually copy this wallet and use GMGN to check this one. Let's see. As you can see, in GMGN, his win rate is 100% and over 1,000 PNL. Crazy. His last token, he bought this token 6 days ago. Look at this. 1,100% profit. And he held the token for 13 hours. Let's actually check this one to make sure he didn't bundle the supply and he wasn't part of the dev project. If this wallet is a trader, that's great. Let's see. Okay, on the maker, let me paste that. Oh my god, look at this. He wasn't even early. He bought at around $700,000 market cap, at $500,000 market cap. You were able to easily copy trade this person. Even if you didn't buy at this candle, easily you were able to buy at here. And it went to $21 million. Crazy. Let's see his other token. 233%. Crazy. He held the token for 8 minutes. This one. Oh my god. 1,490%. He held the token for 1 hour. I shouldn't share this wallet in this video, but I can find many of these wallets using their reports. They have great reports. This is one of the game changer tools that I ever seen, and I'm glad that I shared this with you guys. I'm gonna share all these wallets on my Telegram channel, especially this one, so make sure to join my channel. Okay guys, let's talk about the Ultra feature. I have to mention the team behind Zelfigru spent months to develop this tool, and it's absolutely a game changer. Let me actually show you. Basically, when it comes to some wallets with high win rate, let's say 70%, 60%, or 100%, they are usually some popular wallets, and they are copy traded by many wallets. And that's okay, as I shared many wallets in this video with high win rate and they were totally okay to copy trade. You can make so much money by copy trading this kind of wallets. But the problem is, after a while, this kind of wallets could turn into farmers. They basically find some low cap tokens and they will buy those and immediately after the buy they will dump that. And as a result, since it takes time to copyright them, you will lose money. That's the reason I always set a minimum market cap when I want to copyright a wallet address. Also, these kind of wallets with high win rate, after a while they could change their wallet, because many people try to front run them and they will change their wallet. But when it comes to some wallets with 20, 40, 30% win rate, no one cares about them. No one cares about these kind of wallets. Not many people copyright them, and they don't change their wallet. They don't get into some low cap tokens to farm traders, because not many people copyright this kind of wallets. Why you should copyright a wallet with 20% win rate? But when it comes to ultra feature, you can turn these 20 to 30% win rate into 100%. Let's say you have a 30% win rate in a wallet and he made 10 trades. What if you only get into those profitable ones and not the ones that they were not good tokens? In this way, you can, turn this wallet into a 100% win rate, because not many people, first of all, copyright this person. He wouldn't probably change his wallet, and you can only buy the tokens that he bought and were profitable, because there are many wallets that they usually buy some good tokens, some trendy tokens, but sometimes they make some mistakes, or they get into some low cap tokens. And if you can avoid those, you can turn them into some good wallets. And that's what ultra feature is all about. And they are releasing the new version of ultra, I think, in the next week. And I'm super excited for that. As soon as they release the new version, I'm gonna record a video about this, because this is absolutely a game changer. I really hope you found this video helpful. You can find a link to this spot in the video description, and make sure to join my Telegram and subscribe my channel. Cheers!